Weather-related power outages are up 67% since the year 2000, according to a Department of Energy analysis cited by USDA. When the power cuts, your refrigerator keeps food safe for up to 4 hours. After that, discard perishables. A full freezer holds for 48 hours. A half-full freezer only 24, provided the doors stay closed. An appliance thermometer in both the refrigerator and freezer is the tool that removes the guesswork. Keep the fridge at 40 degrees Fahrenheit or below and the freezer at 0 or below. If you want to extend freezer time, 50 pounds of dry ice should hold an 18 cubic foot freezer for 2 days. The shelf-stable pantry is what bridges the gap after that clock runs out. The full evidence file is on this channel.